Hi! In my previous videos, you learned how to prepare for a product hunt launch. In this last video, you will learn what will happen during your launch day and 48 hours after, how to manage the event properly and achieve the maximum results, while keeping yourself calm. So let's get started. So today your product hunt launch day. What should you do? Your product is on product hunt, you got the first upvote. So what's next? The first thing you need to do is to reach out some people to help your product kickstart. Start with the most loyal ones, your friends. You can just copy-paste a common message and send them a direct link to your product hunt page. They know you personally and it's totally okay to send them the same message. Then go ahead and send your announcement to the public. Twitter, email newsletter, announcements to other startup communities. It is important to make unique texts, because some people may see the announcement in different places. And if you will just copy-paste it, you will look like a lazy ass. If you have a huge audience to support you, don't ask them all at once. Spread your campaign within the day. It is a good idea to send a Twitter announcement URL, and the tweet should contain a product hunt page link. Thus, people will first like your tweet and then upvote your product hunt. It will boost your tweet and it will be exposed to more people on Twitter. But this hint only works if you share your tweet to the loyal ones. If you're just a stranger in a community which you have never contributed to before, no one will care about your tweet. Reaching out to strangers might sound like a good idea, but it is not. They will ignore you because no one likes spam. You will spend a lot of energy and get nothing. Product Hunt is also not interested to be associated with spam, so their position is strongly against mass tweeting. Also, if you copy-paste your message in DMs, Twitter will block you. Okay, you sent your announcements. You got first 20 upvotes and moved to the Product Hunt front page. Now, strangers will start visiting your page and leaving some comments. Now begins the most important part of your job. Being active in the comments section. Reply to every comment. Now it's time of your glory. Everybody is looking at you, so think what you say. Put effort in each comment. Try to start a discussion. It's a great way to engage more people. Try to tell more about your tool. For example, people may ask, is your website builder fast? It's a great opportunity to tell more about what technologies did you use to achieve those green scores. If someone was super interested and friendly, you can find them on Twitter, follow, like some of their tweets, and send a personal thank you message. It will help you to grow your follow base. Keep the conversation going. Don't just say thanks. Ask something they might be interested discussing with you. Product Hunt is a place for cool boys and girls. They use modern apps, they live in VR, they pay with bitcoins, they create awesome designs and programs. They are not wearing suits. Imagine you're talking to your friends in a bar. So be cool and don't try to sell. Instead, be interesting, tell jokes and stories. GIFs also work very well. Besides being active on Product Hunt, you must be responsive everywhere. Check your Twitter every few minutes and reply to each mention there. Follow everyone who liked or commented you on Twitter. Be creative. A small personal video with a thank you message to a new follower will blow out their mind. Check your company's email inbox and live chat. Those people are most valuable for your business. They already got interested, visited your page, and even got converted. Those are not bored people who just checking out new stuff. Those are your future clients. So treat them diligently. Ask what they think and respond right now. Invite every user for a personal call. Or not today, of course. Today you're busy. If they really like your tool, ask them to leave a review. But Product Hunt, Twitter, and the company inbox is not everything you need to watch. People will talk about your project on the internet, in the places you don't even know about. If you watched my previous videos, you have already installed specific software which tracks your brand mention on the internet. Be sure to check it constantly and respond everywhere. A solid comment from a founder on Reddit can make wonders. So yes, basically all you do during your launch day is communication. The day came to an end. Your fingers are tired and the head is overloaded. Announce your product hunt medal. Thank everyone for the support and shut your laptop. Time to get some nap. But when you wake up, you know what? Get back to work. The game is not over, even if it's a new day on Product Hunt. Yes, it's a 48 hours game. The comments will come on the next day too. So I hope you told your girlfriend you'll be busy again. Of course, there will be fewer comments, but you still need to be online and reply to emails, Twitter, etc. When the next day is over, it is the end. You did it. Congratulations. If you are not a number one, it is still a solid accomplishment. On the next day, I recommend relaxing. Throw your laptop away and go out. Don't forget to celebrate your launch with your teammates or with your friends if you're a solo founder. Eat a pizza together. Oh fuck, it's coronavirus. Anyway, today is the rest day. After you got some rest, go back to your computer. There are some more things you can do to get more results from your Product Hunt launch. Remember in my previous videos I told to set up analytics to collect some data. I hope you did it. Now take all your data and create a neat blog post. Reveal all the numbers you have got. Traffic, signups, downloads, sales. The more numbers you have, the better. Post your results in your company blog and also share it on Indie Hackers, Reddit, Hacker News. People love numbers. Your post will get some attention and you will get some more users. One more thing you can do after your launch is to start getting ready for the next launch. Yes, Product Hunt allows to post a product one or even more times. There are only two rules. A period of over 6 months should pass. Your product should get significant updates. For example, you created a mobile application version of your tool. It is a significant update. If you just have been adding small features, it is fine too. I publish Unicorn platform on Product Hunt every 6 months. We simply list all our small updates which we added in the past 6 months. And since we improve our product almost every day, the lists are usually very impressive. Also, don't forget to add your tool as alternative to similar products on Product Hunt. It will help others to find your tool while browsing Product Hunt. Product Hunts keep driving traffic constantly, not only on your launch day. And if you will be adding your tool as alternative, this traffic will be growing. One more thing. If you won on Product Hunt or got second and third, you can show off your badge. It will help you to increase your reputation. Just add this badge to your page if it is relevant to your audience. This was my last video in this How to Prepare to Product Hunt Launch series. I told everything I learned. That's a lot of things, but don't just follow all those tips blindly. Instead, I encourage you to think about your strong points and find what will work better for you. Being a solo founder or with a team, you just cannot be perfect in every aspect. If you have great design talents, make a bet on visuals. If you are good at copywriting, make connections through texts. Think how much time do you have for the preparation, set your priorities and start working. I launched over 20 products on Product Hunt, and each time it went smoother and smoother. But the first launch, it was a mess. At the end of the day, I was exhausted. And the results were far from perfect. This is because I had bad preparation. But you are not me. You have my videos and some articles on the internet, so I hope your launch will go fine. Good luck. I'm happy to finally finish this Product Hunt series because I have so many topics to cover. I will teach you how to find your first paying customers. I will share our analytics and insights. You will see which customer acquisition channels worked the best for us. I will tell my story of launching on AppSumo. You will see our stats and learn why we failed. I will teach you how to raise funds without giving away shares. If you think this content might be helpful, subscribe to this channel.